Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, November the 29th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first one. 3 star Sudoku 7531. 7531. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 29 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 4 digits more. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Otherwise, it should be a 0 stars. Yeah, 0 stars. I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, a lot of 7s. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright, and now. How about the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the third row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Shoot me there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I need to think. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in the first row. No 9 in that box, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6. Need 6 there. Need 6 here. And 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 6 should be there. And let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place level the 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 now in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 6. How about the 8 now? No, still cannot finish with the 8. How about, need a 5 here. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. Okay. And now 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. Interesting. Well. Need a 2 here. 2 and a 4. Need a 5 here or there. Well. Need a 5 here. Okay. Yeah. 5, 1, and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 6, 8. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only place level 2 should be there. Overlook this 2. Okay. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level 2 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So how about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 and 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and 8. Wow. About these 2. 1, 2 is missing. 3 and 4 is missing. No. We have a 2 here. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. No, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait again. Wait again. 5, 5. Ay. How about here? The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Nope. 3 and a 5. No. Well. 4, 5, and need a number here. The 3. Need a 3 here. 2 and a 4. 3. Ay. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 4 here. We have a pair. The 8 and the 4 in this row. The 8 and the 4 in the first row. So the row between only 3 places left. The 8 and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 8 and 4, 8 and 4, 8 and 4. Oh, well, it's not a pair here. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And 1, 3, need a 8, 4, need a 5, need a 1, 2, need a 3, 5 and a 3 here. We have a 3 here. Need a 5 here. Well, the 5 should be there then. 3 here. Ay. What's happening? 4, no 4 here. No 4 there. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 5. 5, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, first row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between the middle. The only place left for the 5 should be there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 3, 4, and 4 here. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here. Together with the 5, we have a pair, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the first column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3 in No, we have a 2 here. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 4 in this column, 4 in that column, sorry, 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the mother. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. Not faster than 14 or 13 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not pleased with the time, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.